Aloha everyone, this is Hawaii's Pickle Lady. Today I'm making a pumpkin roll just in time for the holidays. So it's pretty easy, just follow along and you can make it too. So I have 5 eggs in a bowl and I have a cup of sugar. I'm going to put it in and I'm going to beat it until it's very thick. It's been about 3 minutes and you see how thick it is? Now I'm going to put in 1 1/3 cups of pumpkin from the can. I have dry ingredients that I'm going to mix up, and this is 1 1/2 cups of flour, 4 teaspoons of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of ginger powder, 1 teaspoon of cloves, everything's powdered, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to mix it up. And then I'm going to gradually mix it up with the eggs and everything. And then at the end, I'm going to put in some chopped up nuts, 1 cup. So just on low speed. Now I'm going to clean the bowl. And you can see the really nice color and you can smell all the spices. Really reminds you of festive times. Now I'm adding 1 cup of chopped nuts. You can use, I have walnuts, but you can use any other kind of nuts. Now mix it up. And that's all there is to it. I'm just going to clean the bowl and then I'm going to get ready the pan. See how fast this was? Only a few minutes to mix up. I have a 1/2 sheet pan and I put some parchment paper and I'm going to spray it so it doesn't stick too much. Okay, now I'm just going to pour the filling right in here. Spread the filling evenly. So as you see, it's not thick like a cake because we're going to roll it. Try to get it as evenly as you can, especially the corners. Hard to judge sometimes. Now I'm going to put it in a preheated oven for 13 to 15 minutes. I have here a piece of cloth. You can use any kind of soft towel or maybe just a piece of cotton that you have, a little bigger than the pan. So now I'm going to sprinkle powdered sugar all over the sides of the pan. This is so it won't stick to the cloth, and this is what we're going to roll it in. This baked for 15 minutes and you can tell when you can just press it and it springs back. It's not wet or anything. You have to be careful. Now I'm just going to flip it over right onto the powdered sugar. Now carefully flip. There we go, perfect. Now I'm going to peel the paper off. Comes out very nice, so parchment works beautifully. There you go. Now, carefully, you're going to roll it. Just like a jelly roll. Okay, perfect. Now you let it cool, like that. Now I'm making the filling. So you take 1 pound of cream cheese or 2 8-ounce packages. And 3/4 cups of softened butter, which is 1.5 sticks. Okay, now we're gonna beat this up, probably on low speed. Now slowly add 2 cups of powdered sugar. And if it's lumpy, where like in Hawaii, you have to sift it. You make sure that it has no lumps first. Last, add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. The pumpkin roll is cooled. Now, I put it on a rack so that it cooled better. So now I'm going to unroll it. Sometimes it cracks, but that's okay. Now I'm going to spread the filling all over. This is really yummy. The filling is perfect. And I know some people also sell these. They make it for craft fairs or sell it to friends. But I just make it so people can enjoy. Now I'm going to roll it, but of course without the cloth. I'm just putting some powdered sugar on the finished roll. And there you have it. This may not be the best looking pumpkin roll, but I can promise you it's really yummy. If you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button. And mahalo for watching. See you the next time. Bye.